Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna discuss about how we can use the custom font family in our Power Pages. Okay, so you can see this is my form creation page. I'm using a form. Okay, model driven like a data was table form. So you can see this is the font family, default font family I'm using. Okay, so if I want to use a custom font family, then how we can use. Okay, so most of the organization use their own font family, and they keep this uh, font family in some special type of extension, let's say WOFF, OTF, like this. Okay, so I have just downloaded this font family, so you can see like this is the font family available, like a bold, light, medium, and regular semi bold. Okay, so this is the font family. So what we need to do, so first step would be to uh, upload this font family in the Power Pages. So how we can do that? For that, what we need to do, we need to open our Power Pages portal app. Okay, and then we have to go the web files. Okay, here we will create a new, and what we will do, we will just simply select the page where we want to use that. Okay, so for that, what I am doing, just let's say I'll just upload this one. Okay, so let me copy this whole thing. So I just copy that, and now what I'll do, I'll name as it is. Okay, and then I select the site and the parent page. Okay, so I'll select that should be done for this particular form creation. Okay, and the parent URL, so I am just uh, my name and partial URL both will be the same. Okay, and the publishing state would be a publish instead of draft. Okay, so now you can see right now there is a no kind of attachment thing available. So once we save this, okay, so now you can see we have option is available. Then what we need to do, we need to then go to our download section, and then where it is custom font, and then I'll select the OTF, and then Verifone and Angular OTF. Okay, so I'll just select this. So now that is uploaded, so I'll just click on save. So let me recheck. Okay, so this is same, this is same, we have published. Okay, so now we have successfully uploaded our OTF file. Okay, so I'll just save and close. Now our file is uploaded. Now what would be the next step? We have to open that page in Visual Studio Code, so we can just add our CSS code in the CSS file. Okay, okay, so that is open. So let me go to our CSS file section part. Okay, so now here what we need to do, we need to write some of the code. Okay, so font face. So now you can see once I select font face, this is the default thing which is already there. So font family means the name. Okay, so let's say I selected in a single quote. I just need to let me paste this, and I'll remove the extension part. Okay, this is the font family and the URL. Okay, so now in URL in a single code, because we uploaded in our web file, so just simply we put a dot slash and then path. So now you can see this is coming, but I just paste this. Okay, this is the partial URL, if you remember. So in a partial URL we are using this. So let me open parallelly. Okay, so this is our partial URL. Okay, so this is we using basically a partial URL. Now what we need to do, we need to type our format. So this would be a inside single quote, which is nothing, just a open type. Okay, and then we will do our font weight as well, which I'll keep as a normal. Okay, then I'll use font style, which again I keep as a normal. Okay, so now you can see okay, let me remove this because this should not be okay. So now we have, now through this code we are just taking the reference of our that web file part. Okay, and then let me say this, and then let's say I want to change this. Okay, so this is nothing, just I would say a label input, anything. So for that, how we will check that ideally it should be a input or label as well. Okay, so label. So now you can see this is the label. So for all label, if I want to change, then what I'll do, I just simply scroll down, select our class is label. Okay, and then curly braces, and then I'll select the font family, and then I'll just put my font family name. Okay, so my font family name is this. Okay, so in this code I just set my font family name very font sans dash regular, so I'm using that name here, and this font family name is pointing out to this URL, which is nothing, just our OTF file location. Okay, so now let me save this. Okay, if our code is saved, now let me click on sync. Okay, so just keep in mind, before that we have this kind of font. Okay, so let me now refresh again. So now you can see our font is changed. Okay, so that's how we can use our custom font. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you later.